So what do you think, sir?
Yes.
Should we just sell the Maxx and get another one of them?
Yes. For sure.
Guys, it's Gus. Today we got Josh with us.
Me!
And we got to see what we got sitting here. We're going to be unboxing the Redcat Kaiju. And for those of you who don't know about it, anybody who's a fan of Godzilla or anything like that, those are Kaijus. So, we get us a knife here and get this thing cut open. We're going to probably have to flip it over. Yep. I'll hold the box and then pull her out.
Whoa, it's big.
There we go.
Anything else in
Back
there?
over there. Okay, set her off over here. Hey guys, had a little accident. We kind of lost the whole unboxing footage. For some reason I turned on sync, and when I turned on sync and my son hit the box, within a few seconds after that, it completely lost sync, so it looked like you were watching something with voiceover, very poor voiceover. So I'm just going to kind of give you some close-ups of what the kaiju looks like, and then we will jump into the run video, and then we have a video at the end with a surprise. So here we have it. You can see she's all wet. We were out running outside, and it's a really nice looking truck. It's definitely not like any of the other ones. I know people said it was other ones, and I've had the ones that they were talking about, and it's not even close. I mean, it's similar, just like this is similar to one kind, and you know, it's the way it works. But we liked everything, except I don't care for that bumper. That looks like it's going to break. I saw RC Driver did break his, but yeah, hopefully there's some kind of an upgrade, or I can figure out something, some kind of a, I know on some of them I put like a cushion in there, like a piece of memory foam, and you put black tape in there, and then it acts like a bumper, and then they're less likely to break. And the lights, I really like the lights. We drive in the dark a lot because in the wintertime it gets dark at like 3:30, so give you some close-ups here. Oh, a little better. Man, getting a glare here. And those wheels, those just look really nice. We're actually thinking about picking up another set of those if we do keep the Maxx. And as my son calls it, comes with a hairnet. And we forgot to put it on, so we filled her all up with snow. But this thing is definitely, I would recommend 4S unless you're very experienced, because this thing will move on 6S. Alright, well, here's the rest of the video. Watch it. And then on the end, we'll have a video of me and my son talking about how we thought it drove and everything like that, and how it compared, because we had the Maxx out with it and we were driving them back and forth to see, and yeah, it's a really good truck. All right, here we go. This thing, it's, most of them you put 6S on and it's horrible because you can't control it, but this thing, you can just sit here and putz around pretty easy. Oh, I really like this thing. See how we get her how fast she goes with a 6S in there. Oh yeah, 6S, she's got power. she does over 50 for sure. That's way faster than we can get the Maxx going. Oh! Oh, I didn't break the way, it's just packed full of snow. Oh. Okay, Joshy, let's have a race. We don't want to race too far, we'll end up in the road. Well, let's do a short drag race to the tree. So once you get to our pine tree here, let off, okay? Let me get over on this side or I'm gonna get hit by Joshy. Okay, Megan, you get to be the starter. I think on 4S she'd be pretty good, but the 6S, holy cow. So much power.
I actually have traction today.
And that's how Joshy drives. Oh yeah. Joshy's not too happy, but I told him he gets to drive the Maxx and this one's mine. I really like this one. Oh! I landed on the wheels. Woohoo! Let's take a little bit. I got spoiled from that gyro on the Maxx. I actually have to steer. I can't just hit the gas. It's definitely my favorite truck now. Even though this don't have TSM, it still handles better than that. It's probably partially the tires, but now I know what we're gonna get for that for tires next time. Oh, I hit a poopy hole. That's what we call our dog. Even though his name's Thor, we call him Poopy. And he dug a hole in the ground and I endoed. That was a sideways double backflip. I do think I need a little thicker dip fluid in it though. No, I would have to say this body is definitely better than the standard Redcat because usually when it's this cold, it breaks. Look out or I'm gonna hit you. Oh, look at that. That was not perfect. That didn't work. Definitely giving that body a workout. And because I like Godzilla, and this is a kaiju, I am going to repaint the next body in my project with this, and it's going to be called Gozilla. Right? You're upside down more than you're on your wheel, sir.
Yeah.
That's why I'm having issues. I just noticed I never adjusted my trim. I was so excited to drive it. She's pulling a little to the left here. There we go. Okay, Josh, he's having the controls, and I let him have it with 6S because I don't feel like changing the battery. So what do you think, sir? Yes,
It's not like that one was either go or not go.
Yep, that's the speed control. It's a much better speed control. Yeah, especially the brakes on this one, I hate that. It's just like wide open. Though, it is a lot better now that's got the wide max on there. Yeah, for how fast that is with 6S, I'm gonna say 4S, it's gonna be pretty much the same as the Maxx. I mean, they got similar kilovolt motors. The gearing is similar. So on 4S, you'll probably do 50, I'm gonna bet. I think you broke the wheelie bar. You sure did. We finally broke the Maxx.
Finally.
Yeah, you don't want to pin this one. You only need about half throttles, more than enough with 6S. She's seriously, I'm surprised you didn't flip it over. You must not have went full throttle. Go forward. Yeah, those tires have some real good traction. Oh, that was a hit. I don't know why you do that. And this thing is hard as a rock. And that's what he just piled it into with the one front tire. Don't hit the gas, please. And everything is still good yet. No body brakes.
Somehow.
Jump that one.
That one?
Yeah, because it takes you too long to dig it out on that one. It actually backflips better than what the Maxx does. You don't even need to pin it. Granted, it's got 6S in it right now, but that means on 4S it would still do it really nice. And they're more controllable because you got better speed control. So when you hit the brakes, it just doesn't go front flip. It actually can just bring the front end down. So what do you think, sir?
Yes. I like
Should we just sell the Maxx and get another one of them?
Yes.
Or maybe we should keep the Maxx for Megan and run it on 3S so she's not scared of it. Oh yeah, look at that. No, if you would have kept on the gas after you landed, you would have made her, but it's crazy how that thing will go through the snow, probably because the tires get about 10 inches wide round when you are wide open through there.
It's nice to be able to go wherever you want.
I told you.
I did it wrong.
I told you, if you got her.
It won't work.
It won't work. I tried. I can't believe how long that battery's lasting. It's only at 5,000. What's that noise?
I don't know. It sounds like it's like clinking.
pull that. Oh, we broke it.
No, we broke it. I broke it.
Hey there, guys. Me and Josh here back in the shop. We broke it. We put well, we broke this and we broke the Maxx. Josh, he broke both of them. He knocked the wheelie bar off the Maxx. And this one, what happened is he flipped it upside down, as you see in the video, upside down, and that made the arm bend down like this. And when that did that, the dog bone popped out. And the pin fell out because on A-scale buggies, I've had them do that before, where it wants to come out. The cup catches it and pushes the pin out. Luckily, though, we found it, so we got it all put back together. And yeah, so she's good to go again. We're gonna throw another battery in it here, and we're gonna go play out in the snow some more. As far as handling goes, we really like it. We're honestly going to be getting rid of the Maxx unless I decide to keep it for my daughter and get another one of these, because we actually liked it that much. It's really good. What you think?
Huh.
Yeah, your favorite parts are the handle's really good.
Yeah, and it can go.
Yep.
Like really, really go.
Yeah, it's 4S will be about 50 mile an hour. We'll have to get it. I don't have a speed meter yet, but we're going to get a speed meter and we'll do a speed run on it and see how fast we can get her to go. But we'll have to go someplace else for that, because on 6S, I guarantee you it was over 60 mile an hour. And I hit the brakes, and that's one thing I like, is that you can hit it's so controllable. Great speed control. Steers great. Yeah, I really like it. And so far, I'm not sure what to do about the dog bone. I think I might maybe lift up the shock here a little bit, just so it's a little harder for it to pull that out, to stop it happening in the future. Or I'm not sure. We'll figure that out. But for now, we got her fixed, and we're ready to go. Yeah, and I think that's all we got for you today. Oh, and don't forget to put your hairnet on. We had like a pile of snow this big in there.
Don't forget the hair.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and we'll see y'all later.
Don't forget the hairnet.